Welcome to Crafty Little Beach. This is Julie. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. I thought we could make a little basket wreath for the wall using one of these little spring bags. So this is the little spring purses for little girls. I chose the pink one. I think they're really pretty. And I'm just going to go ahead and remove the little flower that was on there and any of the glue. I want to make this like a little basket wreath, but I don't really want to keep the handles on there. I want to add something a little different just to break it up a little bit, but I want to use the purse itself as the basket if we can. It is a little flat right now, but I think we can make it open up a little bit by adding some sides to it and some foam. For the sides, I'm just using some Dollar Tree wood rulers. I'm just going to cut these down to size and make little sides for this. And I was hoping that would help to open it up and make it more of a basket instead of a flat purse like this. So I just hid these inside by taking a little hot glue and gluing those on the side of the bag. And it did seem to help to open it up more for what I wanted. I'm going to do the same thing here on the other side. And what I want to do is fill this up with foam, moss, and flowers for spring. And I am going to be making a hanger on there too to hang this on the wall. I just chose one of the bigger pieces here, cut it in half, and then cut that in half. And I think that's going to fit perfectly down in here where we can add our spring florals. I want to do a little bit of floral moss first. And then for the handle, I'm just going to use a scrap piece of Dollar Tree rope. I thought that would be a little bit more interesting. And I just attached that to the wood rulers on the side there with some hot glue to make a little rope hanger for a little basket wreath. I have done a bigger basket wreath to hang like on a front door using a metal basket from the Dollar Tree. You'll have to check out that video. I did make that this year. I covered the entire thing with moss. It turned out so cute. And then we'll just add spring flowers. I love the fact that the little basket is pink, so we're going to add all kinds of fun pastel colors for flowers until this is really full. I wanted to look like it was overflowing with lots of different flowers. So I tried to choose as many different colors as I can and just add them at one at a time, scattering them out. I just want it to look like a giant bunch of wildflowers when I'm done with it. I really like those daisies. I think those are really pretty. So added just a little bit of plain greenery to it as well, just to make it look fuller and to give it a little bit more height. To decorate our little basket, I got this little Christmas ornament on clearance after Christmas. It's a little blue bicycle, so I thought this would be perfect for spring. I saved it for a spring DIY, and I want to attach it here to the basket wreath. I think I'll do it right here at the bottom right corner. I kind of poked my petal through the little bag and attached it with hot glue, and I think this is the perfect final touch for this little basket wreath DIY. Let me show you how it looks hanging on my wall. A really fun way to try to DIY one of those little purses from the Dollar Tree. I usually take those apart and make something else with them, but this one I actually left intact. But I think it turned out really pretty and it was really fun to DIY.